Alright, welcome back. So I finally found a house that might be good to demonstrate my new solution to drain clearing. I'm trying not to use nitrogen anymore. So you see I've got the 75-foot hose with the Drain King on the end here. So we're going to go ahead and get this hooked up here at the got a garden hose here. It's got 75 feet. It's not going to be that far away. We probably got a total of like 100 and some feet here. So we're just going to simply disconnect our hose here. A little attachment. Boom. Throw that on there. Now we've got our Drain King, which is basically a rubber little insert. It's going to go right in that 3/4 inch PVC. Turn that off. Get us some water. Nice. See how this thing works. Okay, whatever. As you can see, I poured a whole gallon down that sucker, and this is the what we got out of it. So you can tell that drain is backed up. So let's go ahead and open up the Drain King and see what we get. All right. See, that sucker's not draining still. So we're just going to pop this Drain King up in here like such. Alright, so as you can see, it's already leaking out of there. So what we're going to do, open up this Drain King, see what happens. Oh yeah. I think that broke loose. And let's let it run. I'm gonna go outside and see what it's doing. Pretty cool. I heard it break loose. We just run the hose short distance right through here, and now let's go ahead and see what that drain sludge is looking like that came out of there. It's a lot easier than carrying nitrogen up the stairs, you know. Oh yeah, there we go. Take a look at our volume. Oh yeah, beautiful. Here's the flow. I don't see anything too offensive. What? Must have been a lot of the bacterial growth. Cool. I don't see any chunks or crazy looking matter. Okay, you can see this thing is stuck in there because it expands, so it's in there snug. So what's happening is it's actually sealing off this direction, so the water's only coming down through here. See how snug that is? So we're gonna go ahead and turn off the water. Here we go. Look how clear that is now. Beautiful. Okay. So now, what we'd like to do, grab our M18 pump kit. We're going to get them set up with a nice secondary auxiliary switch, no biggie. But let's get this thing pumped out first and foremost. Now I love using this M18 pump for any sorts of drain clearing. I usually use this to prove the drain is clear, but now that I'm using that set up with the Drain King, no need. I mean, I can it's perfect every time. But yeah, like I said, you can use this to prove a clear drain just by shoving that down way past the trap, and then go ahead and put your pump one side in the there you go. That's going to be going through at the same volume. Alright, let that flow out. Alright, so we got it all pumped out. So what I'm going to do is check the refrigerant pressures and temperatures, make sure everything's good, put this away. That'll probably dry out. I might come out the wet vac and get every little ounce out, but that dries out usually. You got it down literally like less than 1/8 of an inch of water in there. I mean, that's probably still a decent amount because it's a pretty big pan, but you'll be alright. Okay. But yeah, love this thing. Pretty powerful. I just usually keep it in my little pack out bag like such. Keep the hoses and everything together. But yeah, that's it. And that's the way I clear a drain line these days, you know, without having to carry around big heavy nitrogen tanks. After a while you get fed up with that, and you have to come up with some, you know, you have to get creative with it. Figure out a way to avoid breaking your back out here in the field, because this is a pretty unforgiving job. I just electrocuted the heck out of myself trying to change the fuse, and this thing was hot. Arms are sweaty, so rubbed against the high voltage on the transformer when I was trying to reach back there and get that fuse swapped out. I thought my arm was going to explode. But that's just part of the gig. You got to be smart, man. Don't try taking shortcuts. Just, you know, electricity, you don't have many chances. Okay, so just you new guys out there, don't rush. I mean, it probably wouldn't have fazed me if my arms were so wet, you know, wet from perspiring up here, but, you know, so much, it's just so much more conductive than usual. So it got me today. Pretty bad. But, yeah. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and check these pressures and see what we're getting. Alright, let me know what you think on this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm going to tell you, first time using this thing, look at that. Blew a leak already. Well, yeah, you can see how it expands when it's... Yeah, it's not supposed to be shooting out of that port. So yeah, she's leaking. Pretty crazy. One-time use. Alright, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.